Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Lendingclub as your main bank. There are 5 simple steps. Let's get into it. The first step is to open a Lendingclub reward checking account. Download the Lendingclub mobile app or just visit their website and then tap open an account. And now you got to complete the online application with your ID, your social security number, and your funding source. Next step is to set up direct deposits. In the app, go to account settings and then direct deposits. Copy the routing and account number and then give them to your employer or benefit provider so that paycheck deposits straight into your Lendingclub account. Step 3 is to link outside accounts. From the app, select transfer money and then add external accounts. Verify with micro deposits or instant login to move money between banks. Step 4 is to set up bill pay. Go to payments, choose bill pay, and then add your utility companies, credit cards, or rent details. Schedule recurring payments so that everything runs automatically. Step 5, and the final step, is to activate and use your Lendingclub debit card for purchases, withdrawals, and everyday spending. If done correctly, Lendingclub is going to fully replace your old bank. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.